The National Lok Adalat is a recurring initiative of the National Legal Services Authority (NALSA), aimed at reducing pendency and encouraging the resolution of disputes through alternative methods. The Delhi Traffic Police is organizing a National Lok Adalat on September 13th, where pending traffic challans can either be waived off or reduced. The Lok Adalat allows people to settle minor to major violations at a lower cost or even get them cancelled. However, the rebate is applicable only to specific categories of challans. The Lok Adalat, organized in collaboration with the Delhi State Legal Services Authority (DSLSA), will be conducted across 7 court complexes in the national capital. The proceedings are scheduled to take place between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. To attend the Lok Adalat and settle your traffic challenge, you must first generate a token online. Here is your step-by-step.